Welcome to our clinic.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, how can I help you today?
¿Cómo puedo ayudarla ahora?
Oh, okay.
I have a bad knee
Okay.
and it hurts
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Okay.
Que tiene problemas de rodilla que duele a veces.
Does it hurt right now?
Not
Not
much.
really. Okay.
No.
When's the last time it bothered you?
¿Duele ahora mismo? Ahora no.
About last week.
Last week. Okay. So, what kind of movements make it hurt? Walking or standing up or just
After standing up
after?
for a long time.
Okay, after standing for a long time.
¿Y qué
Okay.
movimientos le duele al levantarse, al caminar? La respuesta.
Después de estar de pie mucho rato.
Después de estar de pie mucho rato.
So we should take away your chair and have you stand. Yeah, you can stand up here with me. Okay, so when it does hurt, where does it usually hurt?
¿Y cuando duele, dónde duele?
It's on the inside. Like
On inside the joint.
Yeah.
Okay, inside
Es
the joint.
dentro de la articulación.
Which knee? It's both knees, yes? Or one side is more painful
this
usually?
is the worst one.
Right side is the worst one. Okay, and you say inside the joint. Okay, it's not in the front bone
No,
or in the
it's
back.
like below the kneecap.
Below the kneecap. Okay.
Son las dos rodillas, pero la que suele doler más es la derecha y el dolor está debajo de la por debajo de la rótula.
Okay, so unfortunately we cannot get the immediate feedback, but this is how I would treat a patient like this. Yeah, I would.
Entonces aquí no voy a tener un efecto inmediato, pero así trataría ese tipo de pacientes.
Okay, the needle is in.
Entonces pongo la aguja.
I would do one this way. Okay, yeah, then you can focus. It's okay, you don't have to move, you just relax. Do you feel like it's on the, you said the bone, or does it feel also the, or did you have checked before, the connective tissue, the tendon, the ligaments?
No, it's between the bone, both bones.
Okay.
The kneecap and
Between
the
both
femur.
bones,
Yeah.
okay.
Pregunta si el dolor se lo siente en el hueso o en otro tejido como los tendones, y el dolor está entre los dos huesos en la articulación.
Okay, this is how I would treat it. And then I would ask the patient to move, yeah?
Y
You
después
can
le
move
pido al
the knee.
paciente de mover.
I forgot to ask you, you said no pain, but is there some kind of tightness or constriction that we could check?
No, no hay dolor, pero hay alguna constricción o está
If I
tenso.
extend it fully,
You feel it?
yes.
What about now? We forgot to check extension fully before, but
Now it's not hurting.
no, it's not hurting. Okay.